You want to smoke? I'm going to smoke this.
I'm with you.
Good times, good grass.
I know, that's what I said. I'm going to be obnoxious now because it's so fun.
You're gonna be so sorry.
What's your grass?
Oh,
I'm trying to reproduce
wow.
it.
Oh, wow.
All right.
She's the girl that plays
Who's having more fun here?
Yeah,
Are we more the
obviously,
kids than the kids? The kids are like,
How do you do it? I think you're so
hell?
cute. Let's go home.
What the hell is their problem? What is their problem?
Alright.
Well, my kids should be used to me.
Alexa.
Yes. Yes.
Jimmy John.
Oh, yeah, I was too excited about this than I am about
See, that's a life skill right there.
Yeah.
You can do this with paper too.
I'm wondering if that same principle would work.
Yeah, you can do it. The kids in school do it.
With what?
With paper.
Oh,
They
yeah.
take like homework and stuff and you rip it and you just...
That would work.
Whoa.
What? See the
Let me-
photos.
She's got like a half a second though.
Anymore?
Whoa.
No, I'm done.
I think I'm okay for now.
Oh,
But
wait.
Wow.
It goes down too easy.
Gesundheit.
I'm gonna give it a few minutes.
It really, really does. But I'm a lightweight. I'm terrible.
Be careful.
might be sleeping the rest of the afternoon.
Try that stuff. One drink of it, little drink. And it took 20 minutes. Yeah, see how it's gonna start to get a little bit weird.
It's so worth it.
All right.
Wow.
Dark Star Orchestra. Go.
But there's more.
She's got rhythm going.
That's what it's gonna sound like. What was that?
Some users may, discharges may apply.
I think it's getting dimmer. I don't feel the sun burning as much. Yeah.
No.
I don't know how to do it.
I'm gonna
It
sit
seems like
down.
it's slightly getting
I'm gonna sit
slightly
next to
darker.
lovely ladies.
Yeah, it is
Hey.
starting to get a little.
I'm
Good?
good. I'm
Okay.
good. I can
Oh, look,
Get
you're
his armpit.
relaxing
Get his
and
armpit.
down. You got the fan.
I got juice down. She was gonna everybody take
Sunscreen and
this
drop
band when I
penis on
turned
your
50,
belly.
but I stole it from her.
You're going to end up with it anyway.
At 48, you know, so I'm good.
I'm scarred.
Are you 48?
Yeah, I'm good.
Me too.
I'm having a midlife crisis. I'm just having a midlife crisis. It's awesome. My midlife crisis.
You sound like you're having a good time, though.
Excellent.
You know, I'm having a good time. I'm not sure everybody else is having a good time next to me. Especially that poor man over there who for his midlife crisis bought a dog.
Smiling at us. And one another baby.
That
That's
dog.
great. That's
That
great.
dog.
Is awesome.
That dog is, he is the cutest little fucking thing.
She's
So ugly.
What kind?
It's
Yeah.
like,
Is that the one he was talking about that's a bug and Jack?
I gotta show you the
Jack-
dog so you
Yeah.
see it in contact. What do they call it? A jug.
A jug.
Have you watched
Jack
the
Russell in a
Resident
pug.
Evil
This
Dead
thing
TV
is
series?
so ugly.
Aw.
He's not actually that ugly, but he's got
I had a
little
lot of
little
reservations
bone
going
legs
into it, and it put
Yeah,
them
the
all to
underbite of
rest.
the pug.
It's great,
But
great
the
show.
My mom
little,
works as a grocery store.
little shit. I have to take a shit every like 6 hours. Nah, it's every like 3 hours.
Really
I don't want to watch that. Maybe
That would
it's
drive me crazy. Yeah. Everything would revolve around the
You
dog.
remember he
Like,
got his
yeah,
hand
my
cut
wife
off?
revolves around the dog.
Well, in the series, the hand comes back and regenerates a whole new him, so they're fighting each other. On the
You guys see with the
basically,
surprise.
you know, do anything. You gotta keep finding new evil things to do.
Maybe at 2:30 in the
Well, if you're
morning.
me,
At 2:30 in the
same
morning for a
weakness,
dog.
like your trick knee.
Remember 2:30 in the morning. Not that time
Or my
schedule
sensitive
thing,
balls.
conversation, it's a late night and you know, I got shit to do. It wore me down apparently. At 2:30 in the.
Well, you want me to hit you with the
No.
No,
Oh, yeah.
stay from balls.
Your Pink Floyd Dark Side of the
Oh yeah.
Yes.
now. That wouldn't have
Yes. Eclipse.
That's a screenshot of.
How can you not love
Oh my
that?
gosh.
Yeah, you gotta love that.
Looks like Buster. Yeah, my mom has a pug.
Bigger.
Yeah, he's showing off his
Selfie
teeth
with
right there.
goggles on.
He's in the collar of shame.
The cone of shame.
Oh, I do now that
Yeah, that's right after he cut his balls off. It's like, Mama, what did you do?
It almost looks
What
like
did
an
you
animation
do?
the way his teeth are
I
there. Like
know.
somebody
He's like,
drew it.
Mama, how dare you?
Oh yeah, take a look now. It's a sliver.
It's getting
We're
there.
getting there. Is it just me or does it seem like the?
Oh yeah, the cast. There's a
Yes.
different cast going on now.
Okay, let's see.
I'm sorry.
Now listen to what nature's doing. Listen to what nature's doing.
Where we texted
Listen
each
to
other
what
almost
is
exactly.
nature doing.
The drummer quit on it.
Where's the drummer?
It's
You
already
gotta keep the
quiet.
dragon in the sun,
I
man.
think he fell asleep.
Separate them. What?
Yeah, he's going.
I don't know how to.
I don't know.
That one is that way.
I can do that.
Can you?
Not the
Let me see.
dog. Punch him.
Uzi, you play the saxophone. You understand how
that.
reed works.
I can do where I can cross
Make it
them
work.
and just
Jump
move
down.
one.
You look up and then. Where's your freaky facade?
Get a big one.
This is a big one. Oh, that's freaky.
Right. Okay.
I got my reed, but
Okay.
Oh, look, she's got it.
I'm
You
good.
cross them, and then
you guys putting together like
just one eye looking
We have
at.
like 10 million rings.
Okay.
photo
Now,
albums. I got a
tell
couple
me
really good
this is
pictures
not a
of when you
spitting
had
image
that
of my husband.
Yeah, we're gonna make a
A dog of my husband.
The facial expression.
Yeah, exactly.
That is
That's the
adorable.
joke. This is what I wake up to every morning. Although I have to say the dog's just happy. The dog is just truly
That is
happy all the
so
time.
Oh
He's just
That's a
happy.
cute dog. I'm sorry.
Picture.
Yeah, thank God he's a cute dog, because otherwise, I tell you what, that thing would be out on the curb.
What is it, 2 minutes until time?
That dog keeps you warm and safe at night.
The dog does. I might like him more in the winter.
I am watching the eclipse. I would prefer not to be bitched at during that.
I'm not bitching.
Yes, I believe you are.
Not at you. Yeah, I
No, with me, right? Whatever.
bitching to everybody else.
Where you?
Exactly.
Psychic vibe doing there.
Good, but take a look.
But it doesn't.
Take a look. Put your goggles on and come take a look.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
It's about to go, man.
Show is starting.
Hey, everybody! Don't miss it. It'll be 100 years before you can see it again.
Well,
They might still be alive. You know, that's the scary thing. Kiddos might make it that long with all the technology.
5 years, there's one heading up north. It's going to show
interesting that we can't see it from here.
The only way I see it.
But it should be 100% like sunset.
yeah.
360, 360.
Yeah, that's, if we were like on the top of the hill, we might be able to see
Western.
it.
The Wolverine that was kind of soft.
the darkness. Yeah, that's what I want. I'm going to try to figure out my...
Sorry. Like the arms and fingers.
What the heck? It's getting bigger.
And then we're just going to miss the clouds. This is perfect.
Oh my God.
I know you had the right to.
Nice. I feel the same.
Made it down. All right. You have glasses?
No, I don't.
There are more around.
Mock me
There are
at
more,
your
yes,
peril. Feel my wrath.
But I don't know. I have no idea where more are.
That'd be hard. You couldn't see your weapon.
That might be it, dude. That might be it.
I
didn't even thought about that.
that.
Yo, this is crazy. It's like,
It's a butterfly. It's not a bear. It's a butterfly.
It's 2.
look, you can actually like sort of look at the sun. I mean, you should, so don't. But it's
No,
just
I
like,
did it. Oh, no.
Dash. What's up?
Wow.
Dude, who knows what's going to happen when the whole thing happens?
I'm gonna go get him.
You know? When the shit goes down, where are you going to be? Don't stare
I'm gonna
Here.
go get him. I'm just gonna go. I'm gonna be okay. Just run right.
You know what I'm saying?
When he appears,
Dude, that's a real axe you're carrying around. No, that's a fake one. Okay. You had me worried there for a second.
Why would I be carrying a real axe?
No, because if you're just real killing.
Why would he be trusted?
And this is like 90-some%.
It's showing, so we'll see. At least it's sort of, check it out.
Do you need glasses or can you?
Hey, we're not playing freaking comedy skit here, kid.
We'll see.
Time to man up.
Little C shape.
Yeah.
Oh boy, who has a hatchet?
At least it's showing it. I'll see how it comes out later. It's hard. It's too much light or some weird shit. It's all weird. It's so wild, man. It's almost full.
Man down.
What
No, we're on the same team. We're on the same team.
That hatchet is real.
It's
Yeah, do me
not.
a favor. Go grab my drum. I put it in the. I left it on
rubber
the thing in the front.
Sledgy, come here.
Big good kid.
Cut my arm off. With the hatchet. With the hatchet.
Get away.
Love a fucking God.
Wait, what?
Don't play that way.
You had me convinced that was real yesterday.
No,
I
I
thought
know.
for sure it was. That's
my
pretty
God.
real
Hey,
looking.
you one of the good guys? You one of the good guys?
Want the truth.
Are you one of the good guys?
It's
Do me a
usually
favor.
with the blood.
Can you do me a favor?
Oh, because this
Grab my drum. Sitting on the front porch somewhere.
realistic.
You'll sit. Do it real quick. You'll be back real soon. I'll give you a sip of my beer. Whether you like it or not.
Everybody.
One way or another, I'm putting hair in that kid's head. No more sissification.
He's not my dog right now.
You know what it is?
Growing up today.
It's simulating twilight, and that's when they like to eat.
Have you noticed the temperature's dropping?
Yeah, I did notice
They're
that.
down like
Yeah.
20 degrees.
Yeah.
I
Cool.
still have your fan, baby.
Oh, it just went back. You suck.
I know. I look fab too.